Hello again, welcome back with another Blazer video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install this screen protector on the center screen here. This is an 8-inch screen. If you have a 2019 to 2022 Blazer, it'll have this 8-inch screen. From 23 on, they enlarged the screen. It's around 10 inches. So you can get this on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description. But there's the barcode there. And here's a few facts on it. Alright, if we turn this over here, they give you a quick little installation guide. And we have a few illustrations. It's pretty easy to understand. If you have a smartphone and you already have applied screen protectors on that, it's pretty much the same process. Alright, let's open this up. See what we got here. Looks like we have probably the alcohol wipe inside of here with a, looks like it says a dust absorber, probably a microfiber cloth or something. And here is the screen itself with a little suction cup, probably to aid in the installation process. You probably stick that on there and use that to apply the screen. So we'll go ahead, and the first thing is always prep, and we'll clean that screen off the best we can and open this little package up and see what we got. Alright, we got a little cloth there. It looks like something you get with any electronic, like a TV or even sunglasses sometimes have these little cloths. And here we have an alcohol prep pad. And here's a dust absorber. Okay, let's open this screen protector up and remove it from this little protective sleeve and make sure it is the correct size for my Blazer. Which it looks like it definitely is. Just line it up here. Oh yeah, that's definitely the right size. Next step is going to be to use this alcohol prep pad and clean the screen surface. This is probably the most important part because you want that nice and clean before you apply your screen protector. Make sure your hands are clean too. You don't want any dirt getting on the wipe itself. Go ahead and just clean the screen. Remove any fingerprinting, any oils from your fingers. Get on here. Let's get that all off. Okay, that's that. Alright, now I'm going to take this cloth they provided and wipe the screen. You want to get rid of that smearing from the alcohol wipe. This part is probably the most important, guys. You want it to be nice and super clean before you apply that screen protector. If you have a smartphone, you know what I mean. Once you get it nice and clean, then we can move on to the next step, which is that little dust absorber sticker thing they gave us. Go ahead and I'll show you how to use that to get that dust off. Okay, we've completed 1 and 2. Now we're on to 3 with this sticky paper, which is this dust absorber. And all we need to do is peel this off. This is basically just like a sticker, guys. Peel this off, and then we can go ahead and get all the dust off the screen. So if you see any dust particles, this will work. Just avoid touching the screen with your fingers. If you do, you're going to have to clean it off again. So that's it. On to the next step. Now we are on step 4. And this is a critical part. So we have our screen protector and the sticker here. This is what you grab onto to peel it off. It says please peel off the mask with this sticker. So we'll go ahead inside the vehicle and peel this off and apply it. So this side is the side that's going to go on the screen. We peel it off so it'll go on like this. Let's walk over inside the vehicle. And this is the way the screen protector will go on. As you can see, that sticker's on the back side. So we'll go ahead and peel that off and then apply and get the bubbles out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and peel the backing off. As you can see, it's slowly peeling away. Okay, I'll discard that. And then line up the screen protector. This is probably the trickiest part of this whole process right here. Once you get it lined up, press firmly, and then you'll have to work out any bubbles. And it's just a time-consuming part, but you get the idea. I'm actually going to use this cloth now and push out any little bubbles. And then I'll just remove any debris, dust, fingerprints from me positioning this thing. But you can't even really tell it's on here. Okay, once you have all the bubbles out, it should look pretty good. It should look like this. If you have trouble, some people use a credit card and then work the bubbles towards an edge. I know some people use heat like a hairdryer, but I wouldn't do that. I'd advise against that. These screens are very expensive, so yeah, I wouldn't want to chance that. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. That completes everything. You can just clean it up real good when you're done. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.